Each tire reveals its user's capabilities and specification through various codes, symbols, or alphanumerics on the sidewall of the tire. It may look like hodgepodge, hieroglyphics, or a foreign language, but once you learn about what these symbols are saying, then you are able to change the way that you look at tires. In today's discussion, it is my pleasure to take you through the Tyre Sidewall. Tyre Sidewall markings are normally set by an organization known as the ETRTO, European Tire and Rim Technical Organization. So that means that the tire nomenclature remains the same. When you go to purchase a tire, the first thing that you should know is your tire size. In this case, I'll be using the 275/40 R19 101Y. 275 refers to the nominal section width of the tire in millimeters of a tire that is inflated to the recommended pressure. We have 40, which refers to the aspect ratio or the ratio of the tire sidewall in comparison to the tire width. And if you take 40% of 275, you'll see that the tire sidewall is 110 millimeters. Next to that, you have what you call the construction of the tire. We have R, meaning that the tire overlays, plies, are laid in a perpendicular design so that there are 90 degrees to the center line of the tire. The 19 refers to the wheel diameter or the rim size. 101 refers to the load-bearing capacity of the tire. In this case, 101, when viewed in a data book, is going to show that the tire is capable of carrying 825 kgs. Why? The speed rating refers to the speed that the tire is able to carry the load. And in this case, it does not mean that the tire is supposed to be moving at that speed at all times. Next, you should know about the DOT code. And the DOT code is a mandatory code that all tires must have when moving in the United States. In the European setting, you'll also see an E or an E2 marking. The first two numbers refer to the week in which the tire was manufactured, and the last two refer to the year which the tire was manufactured. Certain manufacturers specify that after 5 years of expiry of the DOT, have your tires examined by a tire engineer for use. It's been a pleasure talking tires. As a consumer, you need to know 5 things. Number 1, you need to know your tire size. In this case, we are using 275/40 R19. Number 2, you need to know the load and speed index. These are the specific technical markings that are accustomed to your vehicle. Number 3, you need to know about the triple T's. That is the temperature, the tread wear, and the traction. Number 4, your tread wear indicator, and ensure that the tires are above the requirements. If not, change the tires immediately. Next, check for the special marking. Remember that some certain tires are designed for different vehicles. Make sure that you have the right markings on your tire. See you in the next video.